Hello and good morning. This is our Airbnb. It's so cute. We just had lunch at Rose and now we're going to Venice Beach. Yay! My brand new shoes. Got a healthy juice because we're in LA. We're at Abakini, walking around and shopping. So we are on Rodeo Drive. I changed my outfit. Day 2, we're in Venice again and we're strolling around. We're gonna go get some food and I'm just really enjoying this walk because I'm admiring all the tropical foliage and the cacti and succulents. It is my dream. Oh my. These are called pencil cacti, but this is like a gigantic tree bush. Oh my gosh. Hey! 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 So beautiful. It's a little sitting area and it actually wraps around here. It's so pretty. So this is the living room and James pointed out that this coffee table looks like a gigantic Voluspa candle. A cute little table. And this is a kitchen. Ugh. Good morning. I don't know why I look so red. So we had some snacks last night. They're a cute wedding cookie. Now I'm gonna attempt to make a coffee. Let's do French vanilla. Say hello. We're running to the top of the hill. I'm beating James. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, there are horses here. Ready for Nat's wedding. So good. Goodbye, room. Get off the bed. Hello and good morning. We are at our Silver Lake Eco Park Airbnb. It's locked. This is the pool area. We're gonna do the Hollywood sign hike and go to Griffith Observatory today. Yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Hello? We've almost made it to the Griffith Observatory, but I'm actually dead. I didn't vlog coming up at all because it was just me like crawling on my hands and knees and like crying, so yeah, but almost there. James is there. Yeah, okay. See you at the top.
Where are we?
We're at the Bradbury Building.
And what did they film here?
Blade Runner.
That's right.
Hello, we're at the road. It's a Coons. We're going down the elevator. Everyone's looking at me vlog. Can we move? Oh, there we go. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, Airbnb.